it was more than whatever required to be done. So next phase, what happened was this particular the large reduction in the velocity was not able to handle by next phase because of this was beyond the design limit of the navigation, guidance and control system. So which was not able to take care of that one. So finally it ended up with a hard landing. This one.
One more question I would like to ask. Last year, ISRO targeted more than 3,000 missions, and I think we have ended up at 14 or 15 like that. The focus was on Chandrayaan 2 from June to September. My question is, does it affect the capacity building of operation satellite program, as you mentioned? And once again, we are targeting PH3 this year. So, what kind of effect have on operational satellite program?
Now, Chandrayaan 3, it is not going to affect other satellite program, this one. And whatever that we targeted for that, that is for the 2019, that is all the satellites we could not launch this one. It was not because of Chandrayaan concentration on Chandrayaan. It's not because of that. The system was not ready for making, because mainly the hardware, the components were not available for the satellites. Also there was some limitations in number of the launch vehicles, this one. And whatever we planned that last year, that one, that remaining things now spill over this year, and by March we will be launching whatever the satellite is supposed to be launched by this year, last year, by March. And that we are planning to have more than 25 missions this year, this one.